Does your laptop sound like a jet engine when you open Chrome or play a game? Or maybe it gets so hot you could literally fry an egg on it. Don't worry, you're not alone. Overheating is one of the most common problems laptop users face, but the good news is, you can fix it for free. Here are 3 powerful apps to help keep your laptop cool and running smoothly. The first app is Temp, a lightweight, free tool that shows your CPU temperature in real time. It displays the exact temperature of each core inside your processor, so you can instantly see when things start heating up. The best part? It runs quietly in your taskbar and barely uses any resources. You can even set up alerts that warn you when your laptop reaches a dangerous temperature. It's perfect for monitoring without slowing your system down. Next up is SpeedFan, a classic but still powerful tool that lets you actually control your laptop's fan speed manually. If your laptop fan isn't spinning fast enough, SpeedFan allows you to increase it to cool things down faster. You can also track CPU and GPU temperatures, voltages, and system load. It takes a bit of setup, but once configured, it gives you total control over your cooling performance. It's one of the most trusted tools for older laptops that don't manage fans very well automatically. And finally, the most advanced tool, MSI Afterburner. Even though it's mainly made for gamers, this free app works with almost all laptops and GPUs, not just MSI. It lets you monitor your GPU temperature, adjust fan curves, and even underclock your GPU to reduce heat. If your laptop runs hot during gaming or video editing, underclocking can make a huge difference, lowering both temperature and fan noise without hurting performance much. You also get beautiful live graphs that show exactly how your system behaves under pressure. Here are a few extra tips to make those apps even more effective. 1. Keep your laptop on a hard surface, not on a bed or pillow. 2. Use a cooling pad with extra fans if possible. 3. Clean the air vents regularly. Dust is your biggest enemy. 4. And remember, sometimes reducing background apps can lower temperatures instantly. So, if your laptop keeps overheating or slowing down, try these 3 free apps: Temp, SpeedFan, and MSI Afterburner. They'll help you monitor, control, and cool down your laptop like a pro, without spending a single dollar. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.